Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your Ashampoo Snap application. So once you're on your computer, guys, I want to say once you install it, you will be able to enter that license key immediately. That's part of the installation process. You'll be able to enter the product key from the start, and so you'll be able to activate your product right from the get-go. However, if you're using the free version, later want to update or activate your license, then you can easily go ahead and open up the application. So let's start by clicking on the tray here in the lower right hand side, then right click, and you will see it shows a bunch of options here. Then you want to go to my Ashampoo and then go to license status. Now you will see the current status. As you can see, I am currently using a paid one, so I currently have a license, so mine is currently activated. You can purchase additional license from here. So if you click on that, it's going to open up your browser and open up a new window. And from here, you'll be able to purchase a license. Once you purchase this, guys, you'll be able to receive an email with a product key. And once you get a product key, all you have to do is just simply click enter key manually, and you will see your product key there, so you can easily go ahead and enter that. So as you can see, mine is currently activated and my product key is there. And just so you know, this is for one device, one time use. And so once you go ahead and enter your product key, you'll be able to activate it as well. So if I want to change my product key, I can basically reset it and reset the license status if I so desire. Apart from that, you can just go ahead and enter the product key and activate yours right there. But that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.